Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is SkyTech Digital. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to add a cryptocurrency payment to your WordPress website. So let's say you have an e-commerce website and then you want to add a cryptocurrency payment to it. Now this video will be able to help you to add a cryptocurrency payment to your WooCommerce store website. So this is a sample product over here and I'm going to show you how it works. So as you can see, I can go ahead and click on invest now. It's more or less like a cryptocurrency investment website over here. So let's say somebody is investing $50 over here, and then we go ahead and then we go to the checkout page and then we'll select our payment and then we go. So if I scroll down over here, you see the order details and everything over here, your billing details also over here. Now below over here it says pay with cryptocurrency over here. Okay, so you want to pay with cryptocurrency. So you click over here and then you select the amount that you have to pay. So as you can see over here, the $50 over here have been converted to Ethereum for me. Okay, so I'm going to pay using this Ether amount over here. So I'll click on it and then it will go ahead to select my Ethereum network that I have on this website. Now if you look over here, I have MetaMask over here which has access to this particular website over here. So what I need to do is to click on connect wallet over here and then it will connect to my MetaMask wallet over here. So as you can see, this is my MetaMask over here and I'm using the test net. Okay, that is why you see it this way. So I'm just testing the website with it. I'm not on the main net yet. I will only be on the main net when I feel like I'm going to, but this is a tutorial purpose, so that is why I'm using the test net. So all what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on connect wallet over here. So when I click on connect wallet, it will initiate the connection over here for me and to the MetaMask account that I have, and then after it is connected, I'll go ahead and pay with MetaMask. Alright guys, so it is telling me to select my my account over here. So I'm going to select this particular account over here and I'll go ahead and click on next, and then I'll go ahead and click on connect. Now as you can see, it has connected over here for me. So please proceed with the payment below. So you see the connection is done, so I can go ahead and click on pay with crypto. Now before I do that, let me just enter some few details over here, which is mandatory. So I'm going to go ahead and enter Kobe Evans over here, choose a city which is Accra, and then go ahead and click on proceed, pay with crypto wallet. So I'm going to click on pay with crypto wallet over here, and then my payment should go through successfully. All right, so as you can see over here, it is connected, so I can go ahead and pay. So as you can see, the $50 has been converted to the 0.013 Ethereum. So I'm using the testnet to pay. I can go ahead and click on pay with crypto wallet, and then the payment will process for me. So it's just as simple as ABC. Nothing really fancy. Everything works perfectly, and as you can see, everything is connecting itself magically for you. You don't need to go to your wallet somewhere else and then come back over here to be able to connect it. No, everything works perfectly with MetaMask over here. So let's wait, and then the payment should go through. All right, so all what I need to do is to go ahead and click on confirm over here. So I'm going to just click on confirm to confirm the payment. All right guys, so as you can see over here, the order has been received and the amount has been paid over here. Okay, so if you go to the back end of the website, let's try and go to the back end of the website and then see if we will see where the order is, and then if the transaction has been approved or not. So let's go to the orders over here. We're gonna go to orders over here, and then we're gonna go to WooCommerce over here and then see the orders. As you can see, this is the orders over here, and as you can see, it is processing over here. Okay, so even though we have received it, transaction has been approved. As you can see, if I go to my MetaMask over here, I just receive a message that I have the transaction has been taking place. Let me just refresh my MetaMask wallet over here, and then you guys will see. All right, so as you can see, the 13 has been sent over here. Okay, so as you can see, this is the amount over here. Okay, previously I did this one, and then this one also came. Okay, so this is has been sent, and then we will know that everything is working perfectly. Now if you go to the WooCommerce, let's go to WooCommerce and see MetaMask transactions over here. We'll be able to see our transaction over here. So we can see the transactions in the yeah. So as you can see, this is a transaction over here, $50, and then it has been confirmed over here. So everything is working perfectly over here. Now you might be wondering, so if I am the admin and then somebody pay, where will the money go? Of course, the money will go into your wallet that you set up for MetaMask over here. So this is what we are going to go through, and then I'll show you step by step how you can be able to get this thing done for your store or for your client. Okay, so let's get into the video and let's see how we can be able to set up this payment system for our store or for our client store. Alright guys, so this is the website that we're going to add our cryptocurrency payment to. Okay, so this is just a shop website that sell electronics over here. So as you can see, there are a lot of electronics that we sell over here. So we're going to add we're going to add the cryptocurrency payment to this particular website that you see over here. So this is what we're going to do in this video. Now the first step is to create a MetaMask account. So we're going to create our MetaMask account, and then the second step is how to get a free BNB or a free Ether testnet tokens. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can be able to get it, and then also how to connect our MetaMask to our WooCommerce website, and then the last one we test it to see how it works. Okay, so that is exactly what we're gonna do in this video. So let's just go into the video and start doing what we have to do. Now our first step is to create a MetaMask account. So to be able to create your MetaMask account, just head over to a new tab over here, and then just in the search bar over here, just search for MetaMask Chrome extension. Okay, so Chrome extension, MetaMask Chrome extension, just search for it, and then you'll be able to see this one. We're going to add this one rather. Okay, so I'm going to click on this particular one, that is the Chrome store one. And then all what we need to do is to click on this one which says add to Chrome. So we're going to click over here to add to Chrome, and then we'll click on add extension over here. We wait for it to be installed for us, and then we go ahead to set up our MetaMask account. Alright guys, so the MetaMask has been added to our account. Now all what we need to do is to go ahead to create our wallet. Okay, so we are going to create our wallet, that is in the form of creating the account. So we just answer some few questions and then we go. So I'm going to click on agree and continue, and then I'll click on create a new wallet. So I'm going to click over here, and then you just click on agree over here, and then you set up a password for it. So make sure that you set up a password that you remember. Alright, so now that it has matched, I'm going to just tick this box over here and click on create a new wallet. So I'll click on create a new wallet over here, and as you can see, we have to secure our wallet. So to secure our wallet, we need to get a secret recovery phrase. So I'm going to click on secure my wallet over here, and then click on reveal security or secret recovery phrase over here. So this is a secret recovery phrase, so make sure that you copy it, okay, and save it somewhere. So I'm going to just create a text page, okay, not pad over here and put it in it. So I'm going to put it over here. Okay, so this is what my secret recovery phrase over here. So now that I have this one, I'm going to click on next, and then they'll tell me to fill in some few details over here. So the security code that I copied, or the secret phrase that I copied, I have to look for number 3, number 4, and then number 8 and fill it over here. So I'm going to go over here, and this is 1, 2, 3. Number 3 is join. Okay, so join. I'm going to just type in join over here, and then number 4 is ball. Number 4 is ball, so I'm going to just type in ball 2 over here, and then I'll look for number 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, curve. So I'm going to just type in curve over here, and then I'll just click on confirm. All right, so wallet creation successful. All what I need to do is to click on got it, and now we have to make sure that the extension is visible for you to see whenever you enter any website. So I'm going to click on next over here, and then I'll click on done over here. So all what we need to do, I'm also going to click on got it, or I can just click on close over here. So it depends. Just read on everything over here. Just just be clicking on got it, and then you'll be done. So if you want to see your portfolio, you can click over here to see your MetaMask portfolio. But I'm going to just close this one, and as you can see, this is our wallet over here, MetaMask wallet over here. Okay, so we don't have any Ethereum over here. Now if you want to see it, when I click on this particular one, you see this is the MetaMask over here. I can click on this one to pin it over here, and as you can see, this is how it is. So now that I have pinned it over here, I am good to go. So now I have created my MetaMask account. Now the reason why we created a MetaMask account is we need the the wallet address to be used in our website. Okay, so as you can see, this is the Ethereum mainnet over here. So when you click over here, you can see these two things over here. Just you see the Ethereum mainnet, and then you see the linear mainnet over here, and then you can also show all test networks over here. So with the text network, we have these 3 test network over here, but I will show you how you can be able to add the test other test network like BNB also over here. So let's just go into it. So now we want to add a different thing, or we want to add a different network. Okay, so how do we add a different network? So when I click on this one, I can click on add network. So I just click over here, and then as you can see, we have BNB chain over here. Okay, so you can be able to go ahead and then just add your BNB or Binance chain over here. So I'm going to just click to add, and then I'll click on approve, and then as you can see, it has successfully added. So you can switch between the Ethereum and then the BNB. I'm just going to dismiss this one, but if I want to see it, I can see it over here. So as you can see, let me see, this is what the BNB chain over here. So now we have 3, okay, instead of 2. Now I want to add a different network also to it, that is the BNB text net, okay, also to it. Now to be able to add your BNB test net, all what you need to do is, I'm going to go give you a link so that you can go over there. Okay, so so I'm going to go over here, and then what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to go to this particular website over here. I'll just copy the link over there, and then I'll show it to you how you can be able to go over there to also get to add your BNB testnet to it. Okay, so this particular link over here, metaschool.so, I'm going to go over here. Now I'm going to show you how you can be able to also add your BNB testnet. Okay, so the BNB testnet is not in the MetaMask, but you can add it manually, so you can be able to add it over here. So I'm going to just use this link over here. So as you can see, metaschool.so/rpc/BNB smart chain testnet. This is where we want to go. So just hit enter over here, and then it's very simple for you to add you just don't need to do anything. All what you need to do is, this is the procedure for adding, but all what you need to do, you see this one URLs over here, okay, just the first one, just click on what, add to MetaMask, and then it's going to what, it's going to add to MetaMask for you. Alright guys, so once you're over here, all what we need to do is to click on this add to MetaMask over here. Okay, so you see this URL over here, the first one over here, just click on add to MetaMask over here, and then it's going to add the Binance Smart Chain testnet to your MetaMask account. So BNB Smart Chain testnet RPC, and the settings all will be added to your account. So we just need to let it do its work, and then we just press some few buttons, and then we are good to go. All right, so we're gonna click next over here. We choose the account and click next. These are permissions. We just need to make sure we confirm everything over here. So we're gonna confirm, click to confirm, and then it will connect to our MetaMask, and then it is good to go. So as you can see, there is one notification over here. We can click to see what it's talking about, and then you realize that our MetaMask has been what, our BNB Smart Chain is added to it. All right guys, so we need to approve the network. Okay, so we need to click on approve over here, and then as you can see, we have to what, allow this side to switch. So we just click on switch network over here, and then everything is successfully done. So if you look at the URL over here, you see that all is saying that added. It means that it has been what, it has been added. So now we can go ahead and take a look at our MetaMask over here and see how everything is going. All right guys, as you can see, we are now using the BNB testnet over here. So this is what, this is the token that we have 0 over here. So if you click over here, you can see that we have added BNB chain over here, smart chain over here, and also added the BNB testnet also over here. So all of them has been added. So now we can be able to go ahead to the second step, which is how to get free Ether and then free BNB. Now I have done a couple of things before this video, so maybe the BNB will not work, but I'm sure that the Ether is gonna work, because the BNB, they will tell me that I need to wait for 24 hours before I can be able to request new BNB. So but let's try it and see, and then you see what I'm talking about. Now we're gonna go to a website. Okay, so I'm gonna go over here and then go to this particular website, which is cloud.google.com/application/web3/ethereum/Sepolia. Okay, so this is the URL that we're gonna go over there. Now I will leave the link for you, and then you can also go over there to get a free Ether for yourself. So let's click on this, our MetaMask over here, and then copy our MetaMask Ether link, okay, wallet address over here, and then paste it over here, and then we can be able to get 0.5 Sepolia Ether. So I'm going to change, I'm going to switch the chains over here. So I'm going to switch, I'm going to go over here and then use this particular one, which says the testnet over here, which is Sepolia over here. So that is what I will be using for this particular site. So it is Ethereum. So as you can see, this is what we need. So I'm going to copy the address over here. So this is your address. Okay, so just click on this one to copy, come over here and then paste it over here. Okay, so paste it in this wallet address over here, and then click on receive 0.05 Sepolia Ethereum. So I'm going to click on it, and then I should be able to get the 0.05. So as you can see, it says that the drip is in queue, your testnet tokens are on the way. This may take several or few moments. So we're gonna we're gonna hold on and then receive the tokens. Now as this one is running, now we're gonna go also to the smart chain over here, the BNB chain.org. okay, so there is a website called bnbchain.org/en/testnet hyphen faucet. Okay, so over here you can get up to as many as you want. So you can get Ethereum, you can get BNB, you can get all the other stuff, but we need BNB over here. Okay, so with this one we also have to copy the BNB smart chain address, that is the testnet smart chain address. So we're gonna go over here and then also copy the address, and then we'll come over here to paste it over here and then send it to ourselves. Now I know this one is not going to work because they'll tell me to wait for 24 hours before. That is, I have requested previously, I've requested it. Now as you can see, our ether is in 0.05 Sepolia ether. That one is in. Okay, so I'm going to switch the address and then use the other testnet, that is the BNB smart chain testnet. I'm going to click over here. You see we have 0.0 TBNB. Okay, now I'm going to copy this address and then come over here and then paste it over here. Now I know that it's not going to work because they told me to wait for 24 hours. I've already done it before, but let me just try and see. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's not really working because I have to wait for 24 hours. But since we have the Ethereum, we can go ahead and then finish our tutorial and then use it for our website. So this is just for us to get the free BNB testnet tokens and then also free Ethereum testnet tokens. Okay, now like I told you, if you already have MetaMask, you can skip all this step that we did from step 1 to now, and then now we can go ahead. You can follow us on the next one, which is step 3, to connect MetaMask to our WooCommerce website. So I'm going to close this one. Okay, and then I'm going to close this one also, but I'll leave the link in the description for you guys, for you to go ahead and then use the link to get access to wherever I went to. So I'll also go ahead and close this particular one also. So I'm going to go to the back end of the website. Now we are in step 3 over here, and the step 3 is for us to connect our MetaMask to our WooCommerce website. So as you can see, this is our WooCommerce. We have WooCommerce over here, and if we go to the WooCommerce settings over here and then we go to payment, we will see that we do not have any payment option over there, or we do not have any payment settings over there. So when we go to payment over here, we don't have any payment integration or payment solution for us to pay. Let me see. So as you can see, the only thing we have now is PayPal over here. Okay, and then cash on delivery over here. Okay, so and then also bank transfer, but we want to add the cryptocurrency payment to our website. That is, we want to pay with MetaMask. Okay, so how can we be able to do so? Now it's very simple. We're gonna go over here to plugins over here and click on add new plugin, and then in the search box over here, we're gonna search for pay with MetaMask. Okay, just type in pay with MetaMask for WooCommerce, or just pay with MetaMask, or you can even search for MetaMask, and then you see that this particular plugin pops up by Cool plugins over here. Now Cool plugins have a lot of cryptocurrency plugins that you can think about. So this is one of the best plugins that you can ever find, paying with MetaMask. If you are working with a Web3 website, with WooCommerce and then also with WordPress, then this plugin will really help you to be able to pay with MetaMask. So we're gonna click on install now. Alright, so now that it is installed, we will click on activate to activate the plugin. Okay, so guys, our plugin has been activated over here for us. Now we can refresh the website so that the plugin that we activated will take effect in our website. Alright, so now we have we've refreshed the website. Now let's take a look at where our plugin is. So we're gonna go to install plugins over here, and then we will be able to see where our plugin that we just installed is located. Okay, so as you can see, we have cryptocurrency payments using MetaMask for WooCommerce. This is the the plugin that we just installed, we can click over here to go to settings. Or when we hover on WooCommerce over here, you see that we have MetaMask over here, we have transactions, and then we have what, settings. Okay, so we can click on settings over here to go to the settings of the MetaMask. Okay, so guys, now that we are over here, we're gonna there are certain things that it's very simple to set up, and it's not difficult. Okay, so this is the required field over here, that is a payment address. So this is the address that you receive your your money or your tokens. Okay, so whenever somebody is paying, the person automatically pays to this particular address. So make sure that you put in your wallet address over here. Okay, so that is what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna go to my MetaMask over here, and then I will be able to copy my address and then put it over there. Alright guys, so you can also expand it this way, okay, by just going over here, clicking on your MetaMask icon over here, and then you click on the three dots beside it, and then you click on the expand button over there, and then it will expand it this way for you. So when you click on the three dots over here, okay, you can click on the expand view over here, and it's going to expand it this way for you. So I like it this way because it's not like I'm going to go over here and then always be loading it again. So I can, this is the BNB smart chain. I'm going to use the Ethereum smart chain because that is what we have we have in our account. We have something in our account over there. So the Sepolia over here, the Sepolia or Sepolia Ethereum, that is what we're going to use. I'm going to just copy this particular one. I'll copy it and then come over here, and then I'm going to paste it over here. Okay, now this is the crypto price API. So this one is the API that converts your crypto from the fiat currency to the it converts your product price from the fiat currency to the crypto currency in real time. Okay, so you can change it from crypto compare to Binance anywhere you want it. Okay, it depends on you. And then also we have open exchange rate API key. It's not compulsory. If you want to provide it over here, you can go ahead and then provide it. For those of you who have your prices not in USD, you can get the API key by clicking on this one to get a free API key, and then you bring it over here. And then we also have this one, the chain there, or the network. So you see there are a lot of networks over here. Okay, but remember that some of them are pro. So this is the Avalanche Pro, this is the Polygon mainnet, and then this is the any custom network too that you have. So these are we have the Ethereum mainnet, and then we have the the Sepolia, which is the testnet that we are using. We have the Gali or Goli or whatever it is, which is a testnet, and then we have the Binance Smart Chain, and then with the Binance Smart Chain also what testnet. So we're using this particular one, so I'm going to select this one over here. But if I change this one to, let's say, the Binance Smart Chain testnet, you see that over here this one also changes. Okay, so I'm going to just use this one, which is the Sepolia. I'm going to click on this one, and then you see it changes to Ethereum. So that is it. Now I think that is all what you need. So the other payment success order status, you can change it to either the default or completed. So let me just say completed, and then we are good to go. So in the beginning video that I showed you, it was on default over here, so that is why it was saying processing. But I'm going to just leave it to completed over here, and then I'll go ahead and then click on save changes. Now of course with the button also you can customize it and then make it your own. Pay with crypto wallet, you can just customize it and then make it maybe pay with Ether or pay with whatever it is. Okay, so you can just make it your own. Now remember that there are certain things you need to have the pro before you can be able to have access to it. Most of the settings over here are all for pro. So let's just save this one. Let me just save the changes. Now if I go to the wallet over here, you see that supported wallets pro only. So these are just these are the two wallets over here. Okay, so over here, if you want to make any changes, unless you are using the pro, and then network chains. Okay, networks or chains. Now there are a lot of networks or chains that you can be able to use, but as you can see over here, we are just using only two. Okay, we are just using only two, which is the Ethereum and then the Binance. Now if you want to add new to it, if you want to add anything to it, you need to have the pro before you can be able to just make some few changes over here. So buy pro version to activate below features. So if you buy the pro version, you can be able to activate these features. And then if you go over here, also we have the login with crypto wallet. So if you want to log in with crypto wallet, you need to get a pro version, and then this settings will also what open for you to be able to let your customers log in with crypto. It means that you are going full web3. Okay, so everything is what web3. And then the free tokens, these are where you can be able to get all the free tokens, but I will still leave the link in the description for you if you really need what I showed you from the beginning. So I'm just going to save it, and now we are good to go. So now if I go to settings over here, and then if I come to payment, okay, you see that we have what we have MetaMask pay over here. Okay, and that is it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to disable all the other payment method. I'm going to disable this one. I'm going to disable this one, and I'll leave these two over PayPal and then MetaMask Pay, and then I'll click on Save Changes. All right, so now we have been able to add our MetaMask payment. Now let's look at how it works. So let's go to the front end. Let's say we want to buy maybe I want something cheap so that I can be able to buy. Okay, let's say this particular one over here. So I'm just going to click on it to view it, and I'm going to click on add to cart. So I'm going to add it to cart. All right, so I'm going to go and view my cart, and then I'll proceed to checkout. Okay, so guys, as you can see, we have two payments over here. Okay, and the total is what 2,700 over here, but I think this is too much for me to pay. Let me see, if I go over here, it is what 0.71 ether. Okay, so I'm just going to remove remove some. So I'm going to go back to my cart page. I'm going to go back to my cart page, and then also check out delete one or two from there. So I'm going to delete this particular one. Okay, so this one says what 10, quantity is 10. I'm going to just delete this one, and I'm going to just click on proceed to checkout. All right, so now I'll be able to just pay 94 USD. So if I click over here, you see it is 0.024 ether. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to use my other ether to be able to pay. I want to use this MetaMask account to be able to pay. See, this one have what 0.076. okay, Zipolia or Zepolia ether. So I'm going to use this one to pay. So I'm going to come over here and copy this particular URL, and then access it from this place so that I can be able to use this one to pay. All right, so I'm going to go down to featured products over here, and I'm looking for the product that I picked, which is this particular one over here. I'm going to click on add to cart and then view cart, and then I'll go ahead to click on proceed to checkout. And as you can see, I have to create an account or to log in to the website. So let's say I want to create an account over here. So I'm going to just go over here, and then I'm not a returning customer, so I need to fill in all these ones and then also create an account. So I'll create an account, and then we will be good to go. All right, so now that I have filled in these details, now all what I need to do is to click over here and then select this one over here, and then I need to connect my wallet. Okay, so I'm going to click over here to connect the wallet. All right, so I'm going to click next over here and then click confirm. And as you can see, my wallet is connected. It says I should proceed with the payment. I can click over here to pay with crypto wallet. All right, so now I can go ahead and click on this particular one, which is pay with crypto wallet over here. So sometimes it automatically, pop up for you. You don't need to even click on the yellow button. It will just come up for you. Sometimes also when it delays, just click on it, and then it will be able to connect or connect, and then you just need to confirm your payment, and then everything will be good to go. All right, guys, so over here we have to confirm the payment. So just click on confirm over here to confirm your payment. And guys, as you can see, it says payment is in process, and now you see that the confirmation has been given to us. Our payment has been done, and everything is working perfectly. So now we've paid using our cryptocurrency payment over here. Now let's go back to our dashboard. Okay, I'm going to go over here and then go back to my dashboard. Now before that, let me go to my MetaMask, this particular MetaMask over here, the one that we said we are going to use to receive. So as you can see the amount has increased. Instead of 0.05, it has increased to 0.0744. okay, and we also see the confirmation over here. Okay, so we can view it on Zipolia Etherscan. So this has has increased, and if we go to our dash our back end of the website over here, and we go to orders, we see that we have one order received. Now let's go and check the order that we have received. You're gonna see that it is the one that we bought. Okay, so as you can see, this is it over here, just 4 minutes ago, and it's completed. The amount is 94, including tax and other stuff, shipping also and other stuff. So this is how you can be able to add cryptocurrency to your WordPress website. Now if you go to transactions also over here, you're going to see all the transactions that has been done. You see all the transactions. So as you can see, this is the transaction over here, this is the crypto price, this is the fiat price over here. Okay, this is the transactions as you can see over here, and this is how you can be able to add cryptocurrency to your WordPress website. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Please follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, and then also on TikTok. So we are even on Facebook. You can also follow us over there. I'll leave all the links in the description for you to go and follow us over there.